Hey guys, how are you? It's me, Emmanuel, one more time, just to let you know the news. We have good news. Actually, I'm gonna start finally putting online my tutorials for dancing. We're gonna do a little bit of training for dancers, training for dancers, and we're gonna do also a couple of tutorials of basic steps. We're gonna go over salsa, bachata. We're gonna do basic step of technique. We also gonna do really something really good that I think is very important because it worked for me, and like a dancer and like a teacher it works really good because I work out a lot. You can see my body, so I love to work out. It's not my favorite thing, but it's like a dancer I'm gonna add new tutorials for training for dancers, basically to train our strength, to train our flexibility, to train a lot of things that like a dancer are really very extremely important. Okay, so nothing, just keep being like very in here, how I say, like keep being connect, okay, and pay attention because very soon I'm gonna update and put all my new tutorials. I'm so excited actually. I hope you like it. Mwah.